today. Um, Chinyere Iseko. Now,
Yeah.
Chinyere Iseko, can you please say hi and introduce yourself to our audiences?
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone, again. I'm thrilled to be here today as part of the Tech Way webinar series. I want to start by thanking TOS Promotions for the opportunity to speak to such a dynamic and diverse audience. My name is Chinyere, and I'm a business analyst specializing in digital transformation with experience working on various automation process improvement and AI-driven initiatives. For the years, have seen firsthand how technology can transform businesses, also enhance efficiency, and of course, open new opportunities. So, which is why I'm excited to discuss the key skills you need to navigate in yourself in today's tech landscape. So in this webinar, I'll be talking about essential skills you need to thrive in the, like you said, ever evolving digital world. I'll walk you guys through some
Yes, it is. It is.
fundamental, tech skills and how to bridge the gap between knowledge and practical applications. Because you also not would just have the knowledge, you'd need to apply those knowledge. And now you can, and also how you can build a solid tech career that adapts to new trends. So the goal here is to provide the audience with
Yeah.
insights on developing their skills and using them to make a meaningful impact. Do I go ahead with what I want to
All
say
right.
or?
That's beautiful. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you.
Okay, so yes, you can go ahead with what you want to say, but then
Okay.
we'll be asking some questions in between. But then just go ahead with what you want to say, what you've prepared for us today.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I was hoping I'll just go ahead and questions come at the end, if that's okay.
Yes. Great, great,
Great.
great. That's okay.
Yeah, like I said, the goal here is to provide insights on developing skills and also using them to make meaningful impact. So now, before
Yeah.
talking about making a meaningful impact, it's quite important to understand the skills of technology. So, technology
Yes.
skills have become an essential part of almost every job. Whether you're entering the tech field or already working in it, understanding the skills is crucial. So, I'll break it down. In tech here, we have foundational tech skills, which include things like programming. So, you have programming languages such as Python, you have Java, um, you have JavaScript, you have SQL. You know, these are must-have for roles, especially in development and data-related positions. You also have data analysis, which entails understanding data, knowing how to manipulate it, and also drawing insights. Is very key, especially for businesses in today's digital world. There's also cloud computing. So now with more businesses shifting into the cloud, knowing how platforms like AWS, which is the Amazon Web Services, you have Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, knowing how these things work is actually a very vital skill. There's the cybersecurity. You have AI and automation. So automation is quite very important because it's transforming business operations and knowing how to design, implement, and manage automated processes is actually very important. Um, we also have emerging tech skills. I just previously talked about the foundational tech skills. We have emerging tech skills. We have skills such as AI, you have machine learning, you have blockchain. All of these are in high demand as businesses seek to innovate and stay competitive. Every business wants to be at the center right now. And, you know, tech is moving at the speed of light. Things are changing. A lot of innovations are coming up. Also have soft skills that will complement your technical expertise. So while hard technical skills are essential, soft skills are equally important in the tech world because um, you would definitely require skills like problem solving, which requires critical thinking. You would require soft skills like communication. As a business analyst, I cannot stress this enough because it's very important Because when you're working on projects, you're working with the full component team. You're working with people who are highly technical. You're working with the technical team and the less and the non-technical team, so to say. So you need effective communication to communicate and work effectively with both teams. There's also a need for effective collaboration, which involves you working with the full component team, with cross-functional teams, from developers to product managers, collaboration is very key in ensuring that you deliver a successful digital transformation project. In fact, I would say the intersection, the combination of the tech skills and the soft skills is where a lot of value is created. So whether you are transforming internal processes or launching customer-facing technologies, both skills work hand in hand to ensure the business achieves its business objectives. Also, bridging the gap from knowledge, to application is also very important. So there's such a thing as real world application of tech skills. Having a knowledge of the latest technology is one thing. Applying these skills in real world scenario is actually another thing. So in my experience, bridging the gap is one of the most I'll say it's one of the most yet rewarding aspects of digital transformation. For example, let's look at automation in business. Knowing how to use tools like UiPath, Power Automate is great. To apply these tools effectively, you need to understand the underlying business processes and know how to map them for automation. So as a business analyst, this requires translating business needs into technical solution, and that's something I do regularly. Another way of real-world application of tech skills is building a portfolio, demonstrating your skills. I cannot say this enough. I said this to even the people that I mentor. I tell them, I said in the tech world, having a portfolio can be a game changer. It's not enough to simply say you're skilled. You need to show how you've applied these skills in real-world context. And here's how. There should be an increasing need for you to contribute to open source projects. Also, you have to work on personal tech projects, perhaps building an automation bot or simple data analysis model. Sometimes, or you can also tell yourself, I want to do more. Then you create a GitHub repository where you can showcase your code. If you're not a coder, you can collaborate with developers and sharing your idea or giving them an idea of what to develop means you're part of that process. So when the code and everything is done, they'll put you as a contributor. Do you understand? So it's just all about collaboration, collaborating with the component team. You don't necessarily need to be the one who knows how to code. Also, certifications are significantly important because they can also boost your credibility. So whether it's a cloud certification or programming bootcamp, having these credentials helps to demonstrate your commitment to your craft. Another thing of great importance is developing and enhancing your tech skills. I would say learning should be a lifelong event. You should not be a time where you're just stuck. You should continuously learn. So in the tech field, staying static is not an option at all. Technology evolves at a very rapid pace, and you must your skills must align. Do you understand? So here's how I think every one of us can continuously grow. You need to engage in online courses. There are platforms like Coursera, Udemy. They offer a wide range of courses in everything from cloud computing, business analysis. You also have tech meetups and webinar like now, like what we're having now. They're also these are fantastic for networking, learning about the latest trends and challenges in the tech world. You also have books and blogs. You can read books, where you follow industry leaders and read up on emerging trends through books, blogs, and newsletters. Certification also is also good, I'd say putting yourself in a position where you can be mentored is also very important. Having a mentor is one of the most effective ways of enhancing your career. So I think I'll employ everyone to seek mentors who can provide guidance, share their experiences, and also help them navigate the challenges the tech world. Additionally, building professional network is crucial. Attend conferences, connect on LinkedIn, and also engage in relevant online communities to stay connected industry professionals opportunities. So there are practical steps to, I hope I'm rushing this. I just feel, yeah, the time is, how much time do I have? I just
Okay,
feel there are,
so
yeah. I
so
just
currently you have like 5 minutes left.
Oh, I just heard there are practical steps to build your tech career. So setting career goals in tech, it's essential to have clear career goals, whether you aspire to become a software developer or data analyst or a cloud architect or a business analyst like myself. To set effective goals, you need to identify the tech skills um, that you desire. You need to break down these goals into smaller and achievable milestones. Then you need to continuously assess and adjust your career path based on the skills you acquire and the opportunities that you encounter. So I'll say there's also a need for leveraging in opportunities because the tech industry is full of opportunities. Whether you are looking for a full-time job, internship, or freelance work, I've done a lot of freelance work. It's quite very important in sharpening your skills as well. I would say don't be afraid to explore different avenues. Internships and apprehended internship can also give you I'll say hands-on experience because I remember a project I worked on where I was not confident in my role as at when I applied, but after having had to handle several projects, I was able to ace most of my interviews. So there's freelancing, there's remote work, all of these things will help you sharpen your skills. So I have 5 minutes. I'm just going to wrap up really fast. But to wrap up, I would say developing hard work and soft skills is essential in today's world. So never stop learning, whether it's through certifications, mentorship, or self-guided projects. Continuous learning will keep you relevant in the tech space. And I want us to remember that the tech world is vast and ever changing. So embrace the journey, stay curious. That's what my mentor tells me. He says, stay curious and also apply your skills to real world challenges. I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you build your tech career and make your mark in the digital world. So now I'd love to hear questions.